but for you, I would've done whatever. And I just can't believe we ain't together. And I wanna play it cool while I'm losing you. I'll buy you anything, I'll buy you any ring.
Hello, hi everyone. My voice is really fucked up right now, but I am here with a video that I think I haven't been on this channel like that, and I really want to say sorry. I want to apologize because this channel was supposed to be like an amazing channel. It was supposed to already be taken off by now. But yeah, so this channel is my beauty channel. So today I guess I'm going to do a little get ready with me. I just feel like doing my makeup today and just showing you my natural makeup routine. So the first thing that I do to do my makeup, I feel like for people who don't know me as Kierra Cassanova and you guys want to know me as, you know, Beauty by Key, the first thing I do to my face is I put bio oil on it. Around my nose gets really dry, so I tend to put more on there. My, what do you call this? My forehead. My forehead tends to hold oil and create like so much acne, so I just use any excess oil from the bio oil onto my forehead. So I don't actually put like oil. My favorite product, I think you guys are gonna really take this in and really like realize, yo, Key really uses this to the T every single time. I never wear lip gloss or anything. I wear blistex. So I'm gonna put my blistex on. I have extensions on. I need to get a refill. Please just allow me, please. This one little time, I promise you. Well, I'm not promising anything because I guarantee you my lashes are gonna look fucked up one day too, but I'm just doing my face. So I have my beauty blender. It's soaked. Hopefully that will just... No, my camera! Oh, this is gonna piss me off. Like, really gonna piss me off, guys. You don't even understand. Okay, I'm gonna just do as much as I can, and if I can't do it, then whatever. I'm gonna be using my p.louise base, and I'm using it in Rumour. Actually, I've realized that both of them, they're all named Rumour, so I'm using it in number 4, p.louise, and I use that as my concealer under my eyes. So, I'm just gonna do that, you feel me? I'm in that like filming mood. I don't know if anyone else is a YouTuber and know what that mood is, and like you know when you want to film and then it's like, oh fuck you camera. Anyways, so I don't know if anyone else can see it, but I see that I have really bad like arched eyebrows, and on top of that, not arched eyebrows. Yeah, is it arched? Is that the word I'm trying to say? Anyways, whatever. I have really bad, like something in my eyes, hooded eyes. Well, they're not really that bad, but I do have hooded eyes, and basically what I've realized is like my eyebrows, when I do my eyebrows like caved in type shit, it makes my eyes look like so like inward and ugly, so I literally make sure that the concealer like brings my eyebrows out, if that makes sense. If I'm not making any sense to you, I'm sorry. But anyways, so I just put some concealer on my eye. Make sure everything blends in because I am not putting any eye makeup on my eyes. So I use Fit Me foundation in the color 330. Usually I mix it, but you know, bitches don't have time for that right now. So I'm just gonna, oh no, I fucked up. Okay, wait. So now I'm gonna use my NYX Dark Circle Concealer and I'm gonna put it underneath my eye. I feel like I'm rushing, you know, because my camera's dying, but anyways, it's okay. I use my NYX Dark Circle Concealer to wake me the fuck up, because, you know, sometimes you just need to be waked up.
That is not correct.
So now I'm gonna take my LA Pro Concealer in the orangey red color, and I'm gonna put it on my under.
I'm so sorry. So sorry, so.
I have a rude mustache right now, and it's not the one. Does anyone else feel really under pressure? Because I do. I guess I can call this like rushed on the go when someone tells you that they're down fucking stairs and you're not even ready and you tell them that you would be ready. It's one of these. all I see is my camera. That's a lot of red. Okay, you know what? I just watched a video, and a guy, to set his thing, he used setting powder. So we're gonna do that to see if, like, you know, it'll help that area out. You know those ones. We're gonna try new things while we go along. Okay, boom. Now that I've done everything, now I'm gonna put my foundation. Oh my god. I have to get a new foundation, guys, because this one's done. Okay. That should literally be enough. Put the cap on. I look pathetic. Okay. Am I doing a good job? I hope. Well, yeah, so I really don't like putting makeup on my forehead like that. I don't know if that's normal. I used to put like makeup on my forehead, but now it's like, ew, what am I doing that for? Now, because I look crazy, Rumour 4. And I'm gonna use it under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. I'm pretty sure you guys know. Next is setting powder. You know what? I don't even want to use Benai. I want to use Fenty Beauty. So, I'm just gonna use Fenty Beauty on me. Just don't blame me. I mean, don't judge me for this. Okay. What? Am I missing a blotch? Whatever. Fenty Beauty. Saves lives. Okay, now I use the NYX concealer palette. I mean, not concealer, contour palette, and I use the darkest shade. Oh, whatever. I don't think that was enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this random brush that I picked up, and I'm just gonna. Okay. Okay, so from there, now I'm just gonna, you know what, we're almost done. Maybe I should come back for the, what do you call it? For the eyebrows. Maybe I should do my eyebrows and then do like an eyebrow tutorial on a different video. You know what, maybe that's what I'm gonna do. I'm a little pasty and ghosty, but hey. That is okay. Just gotta blend that. I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty highlighter. Wow, like my camera battery is actually lasting pretty long. I don't feel like, well, you know what? Maybe rushing was a good thing, because what in the world? Okay. Whew. Okay, I'm about to do my eyebrows. Guys, I did it before my, what? I was gonna say my YouTube channel. But I did it before my camera died. Welcome to my channel. Nah, this is cute. Well, guys, this is my I'm downstairs makeup tutorial rushed. I don't know what it was. Honestly, it's okay. I'm gonna put, are you in a rush? Watch this. Okay, guys, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And please comment some makeup videos that you guys do want to see from me. That was probably nasty. But anyways, thank you for subscribing to my channel and watching this video. So, bye.